you're missing the big picture. The entire digital value system is being created in front of your eyes. The system of money means that it is a land grab of epic proportions where huge money is going to be made because you're transferring the ownership of the monetary system from one group of hands to another group of hands, and then creating new monetary systems that never existed before. There are, and I've talked about this before, hedge funds that are making 300% returns trading this long and short. The source of alpha is gigantic. It's everything. It's adoption, it's institutions, it's a parallel financial system where people are slowly migrating from old to new, which is probably the best way of thinking of it. It is a sentiment play because it's part of a behavioral cycle, a reflexive loop. It is some beautiful maths driven by things like stock to flow models. There is a seasonality of mysterious origin that seems to play out too. There is the technical analysis that gives the behavior of crowds. All of these things are all in this. And it actually has some purity to it that is understandable to me. And it seems to work, and it seems to be a great instrument to trade and invest in. I know I keep bringing this stuff up and up and up because I feel like it's my duty to tell people that there is a life raft to this broken financial system that you and I spent the first part of this show talking about. It's a parallel universe, and you can step out of one into the other. One is a world of pessimism. Where is this going to go wrong? What are the Fed going to screw up? How's the banking system going to break? How are taxes going to go up? How bad can this get? Is the equity market a bubble? You go to the other world and it's optimism. It's macro optimism in this parallel world where you can opt out of the other one. And here it's about, what can I build on this? What developments are going on? How amazing is that? Is that project going to succeed or fail? I don't know, but it looks interesting. Let's watch it. Where is this all going to lead to? How are they going to figure out a yield curve? Where is Bitcoin going to do? What is the size of the adoption? Are they going to sort out the transfer of payments from third world countries, remittances? How's it going to work when you and I are going to pay each other instantaneously? Are people going to be streaming money over watching videos in the future just for their attention span? Am I going to get paid to watch video or watch an advert? All of these things are actually happening. And so I know I talk a lot about it, but literally there is a migration going on. This Noah's Ark is not going away. It's not something to do with Tether. It's not some noise about, did Binance, are they going to get fined? It's not some noise about, NFTs, are they a bubble? So this is nothing to do with Bitcoin versus Ethereum, or are NFTs a bubble, or should I adopt Bitcoin? What weighting in my portfolio? This is something so big. I keep trying to express it for people. I keep coming at different ways, trying to tell people, over here, guys, this is where the new world is. They've discovered America over here. You can go and get that Californian real estate right now if you want it. You can even take Manhattan. And meanwhile, they're going, I'm going to stay here in my Bavarian village and watch the world go by. Very few people who've made their money from short-term trading. There's very few people who've made their money from a diversified portfolio. Real money is made from concentrated risk-taking when you have done all of your homework and you're utterly confident with the risk reward. You understand the risks that you're taking. You understand, I don't use leverage. You understand what you can lose. You've got a game plan. You're taking into account all the available information. You know what to discard so you don't scare yourself out. But you listen to people who have criticisms so you can take them on board and keep continually reassessing your hypothesis. I've never done this before. It's the first time I've ever done this, but I've waited for that opportunity my whole life.